Introducing Blazly GEO, the platform that lets you understand, optimize, and own how generative AI sees your brand. In a world where AI answers questions, recommends products, and summarizes information across platforms, visibility is no longer enough. Trust and context are what drive discovery. With Blazly, you can instantly see how leading AI models currently perceive your brand, mapping gaps, strengths, and opportunities. And translate those insights into a clear GEO score with step-by-step, actionable recommendations you can actually use. Blazly's AI Monitor gives you a single window into how leading AI systems understand your brand. From OpenAI to Gemini, Claude to Perplexity, every model is evaluated on how often you're mentioned, how credible your sources are, and how accurately you're represented. One system. One trust standard. With Blazly's competitor research, you can compare up to 5 brands at once, including your own. You see exactly how you stack up on brand mentions, trusted citations, and answer accuracy across leading AI models. Blazly highlights where competitors are ahead, where you are winning, and most importantly, what you need to fix to outperform them. With AI citation flow, Blazly doesn't just build links, it ranks your keywords specifically for LLMs. You can track how your brand performs for any keyword across AI models, and switch seamlessly between global results or any chosen location. Blazly's Smart Geo Crawler scans every page of your website, spots weak or missing content, and highlights exactly what needs improvement so your site becomes fully readable and discoverable by AI. Blazly helps you create blogs, FAQs, and web copy that are optimized not just for Google, but for generative AI models that summarize, explain, and recommend your brand. And with a single click, you can connect to WordPress and publish your content directly, no copy-paste, no extra steps. With Blazly's GEO landing pages, you simply enter your target keyword, and the platform automatically generates brand-aligned, AI-optimized content for your page. And with a single click, Blazly generates a brand-aligned landing page design that you can publish instantly. Blazly provides a curated list of 120+ high-trust platforms that leading AI models already recognize, so you know exactly where to build your brand presence for stronger AI visibility. With reports, your performance comes together in one powerful dashboard, showing your GEO score over time, crawl results from your site, and how your AI-optimized content is performing.